Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I decided to do a updated current nail care routine. I know I get questions about nail care sometimes, so we're going to do an updated version of all of the products that may or may not have changed over the years. And yes, so start out with clean nails, no polish. We're going to start out with buffing, okay? I like to buff out the ridges on my nails. Not often, but I do prefer the two-sided buffer because it's not too abrasive, and it's once a buffer and then the other side is shine. I do this maybe once a month or every two because ridges really don't bother me that much, but you can do this as also to help the staying power of your polish. It adds a natural shine to your nails, but you can do this as often as you personally want to. That is just, this is all about personal preference. Like I said, I do this once or twice a month. I just kind of buff the ridges down, and it does help with polish adhering. Now for filing, I'm just demonstrating here. I don't need to file any snags down, but if you need to file a snag down, you need to go in one direction to avoid creating more snags. And if you want to remove any kind of length from your nails, then you can go from side to side and file away excess length to avoid clipping if you choose. Typically I file them down and not clip. Next up we have our cuticles. There'll be a cuticle 101 video in the description box below, as well as other nail links. And I like to use the Sally Hansen cuticle remover and a metal cuticle pusher. You can use plastic, metal, whatever you want. Just personal preference here. And this is the next step in my manicure. I do this about every 2 weeks or whenever I feel my cuticles need it. You just apply it around your cuticles. You allow this 10 to 15 seconds to set on there and it removes your cuticles. This product is great. It's only $6. You take, and at the same time that you have this, because it's on here, it's softened your cuticles, push them back very gently, and then you want to go back in, and I turn my tool to the side and scrape off the cuticle, so all the dead skin that's there. Then my cuticles are done. So once after you do this, now do this gently, okay? You want to wash your hands. Start out with another clean slate. Next up, I'm going to do a treatment, and there is lots of treatments out there. You just want to, this is like basically kind of like a glorified cuticle oil in my opinion, but you apply it like an oil. But the difference is this has like vitamins, minerals to help nail growth and strength for your nails. It's also going to be very moisturizing on your nails, so you just apply it to your nails and cuticles and massage that in. Allow it time to absorb, maybe 10-15 minutes if you have the time. Then you want to wash your hands. But these treatments just really promote healthy nails, and if you use them consistently, they are good for your nails. Next up in this nail care process, we're going to talk more along the lines of more nail polish treatments and more, but in a polish form, and base coat. So first off, we're going to talk about the nail treatment that I apply to my nails. I love Nail Aid, big fan. They have fantastic nail products. Definitely highly suggest, if you have problem nails, checking out Nail Aid products. Fantastic. Now this helps strengthen my nails. It helps destroyed nails from fake nails, any kind of salon kind of damage that you've had from fake acrylic nails, gel, whatever. This will help get your nails back where they need to be. I like, and this is not a nail hardener, it's a fortifier. We'll talk in a different video the difference between a nail hardener and a fortifier. That's for another video. But basic gist is a nail hardener continues to make your nails harder, stiffer, but in return it makes them break easier. A fortifier, it gives you stronger nails and helps prevent breaking, but still gives your nails still allows your nails to be flexible. I like to apply a thick layer and always cap your free edge to add extra protection. Let that dry, and we're moving on to our base coat. So I like to have my treatment, and then I move on to my base coat, and these are pre-polished steps. all heroed in one. I'm using the Pure Ice base coat. It's nice, it's thin, it dries quickly, it does what it's supposed to. Now base coat is to even out texture on your nail or fill in ridges if you didn't know. It creates a barrier between your nail and the polish. It helps prevent from staining your nails, and it gives your polish a base to stick to and helps prolong the life of your manicure, you guys. So I apply a thin layer of this product though, and I always cap my free edge. You'll see that. That's where you take the brush and polish against the edge of your nail, and you're going to let that dry. Now the next step I done off camera, but it's polish time. Pick a polish and get polishing. I'm using LA Colors Shimmer Gel Nail Polish in Beaming. Very beautiful. I stamped over top of it. And usually manicures, I apply 2 coats, I let them dry, and I top coat. On to top coats. Okay, I am using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. It's a high gloss top coat. Love this. Also, one of my other favorites is the Believe Beauty Top Coat from Dollar General. Amazing products. These add shine to your nails, they add strength, and they seal in your polish. And it allows your manicure to last longer and not as chip as fast. So that is always a plus in my eyes. And you always want to apply a top coat to your free edge as well, just for added protection and sealant for your nail polish. Last and final step in our manicure process, creams and oils. So moisturize. Cutex all-in-one hydration hand cream, great stuff, thick cream, or don't use a cream and just use your cuticle oil. Hope you enjoyed my updated nail care routine. I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. There is so many additional nail care videos and other nail videos in the description box, nail related, like all kinds of care videos, so definitely check those out. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.